I'm telling you, got to bring that back. So yesterday or the day before, or whenever it was, I done a little ditty on old Harry the Horny Hood Remover guy. I don't even know where I put it. It's over there. As handy of a gizmo as it is, a lot of you guys out there, you're just needy. I mean, you're needy like Ned Beatty. One of the comments was, well, that's really good, but I got to take my doors off. Well, okay, I got something to show you then. Because I done something, because I got to take doors off too, you know, and sometimes I even got to put the sons to bitches back on again. So just a minute. So look at this little piece of shit. I made this. Oh, I'm way out of camera, ain't I? Oh. So I would guess, I reckon I probably made this. Let me take a knee. Oh! I probably made this, I'm going to say 18, 19 years ago, maybe more than that. Just because, taking doors on and off. Old Donnie doors on and off. So this thing is, I have a couple of lower thingamabobs. Fujima, what's this here? They adjust that away. And then I got one of these guys that adjusts this away. And then back here, I just got the old, see what I'm saying? See what I'm doing here? I got the old upper and downer this thing. What's a Hujima fuzz? I could probably use a little bit bigger wheels on this thing to get her up and down a little better. But, I mean, I made this just out of junk. Here, I'll get you in a little closer. I don't know. Maybe it'll help you. I don't know. So yeah, all I done was I just, you know, it's all just this shitty old 1x1 iron. And all I done was I just made it could actually be better. And I've thought a few times about taking that single wheel off, putting a cross brace and two front wheels on just to make it a little more sturdy. But yeah, and then all I did was Mr. Trailer Jack back there. I just welded it to the bottom. And then it was one of these side mount ones which already had a plate. So then, I don't know what these are from. They're like old bumper braces or something that I welded to that. And then so I made a similar thing to weld to there, to go up and down to raise it. These things are, like this is 1 inch outside, and this tubing is 1 inch inside. And then I just cut it, smashed her flat, piece of angle iron. I don't know what I got in there. I think it's a hunk of leather or something duct taped into there. And that just slides over there. Makes her adjustable. When I first did this, this thing, the framework, it would rotate back around, and that was no good. That was no bueno. So then I welded this hunk of iron here, which fits inside of the tubing, and then as I raise and lower it, it just slides up and down that, and it keeps it from doing the Buddy Holly down there, getting the swing on. I mean, really, there's really not much to it. Oh gosh, upsy daisy. And then this guy here, what I made, he just flips over there, and I will demonstrate. So the way this little gizmo whopper works is you'll wheel it up to your door. Where's my handle? Open your door up. So the two little angle irons I got there, like on this, I mean, you can spread them, whatever, do whatever you want. I don't give a shit how you do it. This is how I done it. So you get her up there, you'll line her up, you'll give her the old, give her the business. Them chunks of angle, they're going to grab your door by the bottom. And then this guy is going to go down. Well, it's without the window there, and I got no battery in it, so I can't roll the window down. But this guy here fits over top of this, and it would go down here, and it would hang onto the door there. I had a padding, I don't know what I had on here, but over the years it's come off. So I usually just throw a welding glove or something. I got nothing. Here, just to demonstrate. Let's just say that this is a nice little piece of leather. So you put that over there. That guy goes on there and holds your door. Keeps your door from falling that way. It's not very often it's going to fall back this way, and if it does, well, hang on to the son of a bitch, would you? Just take life into your own hands for a minute. So that guy, he keeps the door from falling off. Goes, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? It slides down there. I got a little bolt on there if you need to, like if you got a painted surface and you don't want to go and whack. Well, you can set her down there to just the height that you want it, and then tighten that up and lock it into place so it doesn't whack you, right? So then you pick her up. I don't know if you can see, but the car's coming up ever so slowly. That picks the weight up off the door. You do your bolts and your stuff. And then, well, here I can show you by opening it. Then you can just take and you can just bugger off with your door. Right? And the same goes when you put your door back on. You put your door in this thing. Like, just pretend that the door is still there. So you unbolt it, you do your stuff. Squeak-a, 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 squeak-a. You get your nice freshly refinished door. You set her all up in here. You take this thing. You lock her on there. Squeak-a, 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 squeak-a. You can take that door wherever you want to go. Squeak-a, 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 squeak-a. See what I'm saying? It gets some flex in it every now and then, but whatever. I've had some pretty big, heavy doors on here. Like I've had second-gen Camaro doors on here, and those son of a bastards featherbuckers, those things weigh about well, no, they don't. The hood weighs 1,700 pounds. I'm sure the door doesn't, but well, you know, it weighs at least 1,200 pounds, anyways, and that's weighty. But anyways, like I said, that's how it works. That's what I done. I would guess that I bought the trailer jack. I bought that new, and I think I paid $40 or $50 or something for that. And it's here. It's Princess Auto, where you are. It'd be what, Harbor Freight or whatever the hell you call it. So that was the only real expenditure. I think metal-wise, there's probably $20 worth of steel involved, maybe. And I'll bet you I don't got 2 or 3 hours into making this when I done it, cutting shit and welding shit together, and there it is, and it works. I guess that's it. I don't know what else to tell you. Somebody said I got to get my door on. I got to take my doors off, put my doors on. Well, here, make one of these, would you? I don't know if anybody sells them. I think I looked around trying to find one, and the closest thing I come for something like this was they make a great big hoover thing for doing bumpers, a bumper jack. Similar kind of a thing, but just way too big and just not handy for doing this. But this is pretty damn handy. And I have used this thing for, like I said, I made this thing 18 or 19 years ago, and I use it on a regular basis. And I ain't dropped a door yet, so I don't know. Make one of these, would you?